to show you the perfect salad for the holiday season. This would be a great addition to your Christmas dinner, and it's a good way to get your greens in on Christmas Day. And I feel like it's so festive with the red pomegranate seeds on top, and delicious with the candied nuts and a creamy poppy seed dressing to go on top. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified of our future videos. For the salad dressing, combine 2/3 cups of mayonnaise, 2/3 cups of Greek yogurt or regular plain yogurt, 8 tablespoons sugar, 4 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, and 3 teaspoons of poppy seeds. After mixing it together, you're done. You can store your salad dressing in a jar or whatever container you'd like in the fridge. For the salad, I'm going to do a mix of romaine lettuce and spring mix, but you can always just use spring mix if you prefer. Next, you're going to remove the seeds from your pomegranate. You can use whatever method you like best for this. Melt just enough butter in a saucepan to evenly coat your nuts. This is my favorite way to make candied nuts using honey, but obviously you can use sugar and there's lots of other ways to make them. Just stir them until they are nicely toasted and coated in butter. Once they're toasted, add your honey. I like to use quite a bit of honey here. And then quickly stir your nuts several times. You're trying to get them a little bit caramelized here. Then pour them into a bowl to let them cool. Once they've cooled, you can break them into small pieces using your fingers. Now you can start adding your ingredients to your salad. Mandarin oranges, dried cranberries, Feta cheese, my personal favorite, pomegranate seeds, and the candied nuts. Right before serving, mix everything together and toss the salad with the dressing.